Okay, here we are at Anniversary Hill again for another stop. What we're going to look into is a dam put up to store some water and hold it back. So it has a reservoir up here, and the dam's still there, and the reservoir today is dried out, but a lot of times you can actually see it. People used to come swim up here before they put the submerged swim pool in. All right, so we'll put it towards the dam. There's a hole in the bottom of the dam to release the water downwards, and behind it there's a spillway that's lower than the rest of the dam. And behind it is not a reservoir today, but a lot of times there is a reservoir. Okay? Thank you. We're in the anniversary field area, and we're looking at steps that were put in that would help people climb up to the trail up there. They have a sidewall and they have the steps. I think I've counted them on steps. There's like 20 something of them or so. Very interesting. During time of year with not much brush around, it's easy to climb up. So spring and fall, it's very easy to climb up these stairs. It takes a turn there to the right, then it takes a turn to the left, and then you're at the top of you need to be. Okay? So you can do that some years, but right next to this is a place. Basically, it's a culvert to get some of the water out and under, but people used to come here and get a little bit of drink too. There's a little tiny pipe, I can see it. Okay, so this is one more little place in Anniversary Field. Thank you. We're up on Anniversary Hill now. We're a little short of Scott's Tower, and in the late 1960s, a state swim pool was put in to that area right there.
What?
It was a big pool. It was had a dog leg, so it went out about 25 yards, and then to the right at 90 degrees was another 25 yards. Called Schmurra Pool, and it was a great place for families to bring their kids during the hot summer days. There'd be lifeguards in there. It's hard to believe that it's all now brush. It was taken out sometime in the early 1990s probably, and it's totally gone now. They had to take it out so it wouldn't hurt anyone. But it was called Schmurra Pool, named after the state representative from Holyoke that served the Massachusetts state government. And it's one of many state pools put around the area. South Hadley got one, for instance, and that was gone too. And they were never replaced. And so you had a lot of activities over here. Picnic tables would be all over the place around here. Scott's Tower, many trails would be around, and plus community field. So it was a great place to be. And thank you. As part of the Anniversary Field's tradition, there was a rock in there with a plaque on it, and it tells you that John Scott, resident of New York City, donated this field because his daughter got married in Holyoke, and her husband ran a Chevrolet automobile business in Holyoke. Now, they had it cleared last year, but all the growth came back into play, so I can't get up to the rock, but I do have pictures on my website of it. So we'll get a closer look at it. Okay, and look how close we are to the tower, so just shoot over to the tower. So the rock is right to the southern edge of it. Thank you.